എന്തേലും പെട്ടോ ഞാൻ പറയാം. Hi guys, we are again with a new video. Myself Hamraz and with me Abbad Maligal. We were NIT alumnus and now working in corporates. I'm a data scientist in Piramal Finance, and Abbad is working in Madras IIT. So, uh, so we would like to share two stocks which gonna perform really good in coming 3 to 6 months. So let me go to the stocks directly then. Yeah, before going to stock, let's discuss on how all the Nifty indexes has performed this week. Let's go to the one-day chart. This is Nifty chart actually. So you guys might already be knowing that Nifty has already crossed the all-time high of 25,100 on Thursday itself. I guess it has crossed that value, and now on Friday it has given a gap up, but although it was a bearish candle, though you can clearly see it here. So in the coming days, let's see how Nifty gonna be performing. But although we can definitely say that it's the whole market is positive, the bulls are prominent, and then in all other indices as well, like Nifty mid cap, small cap, everywhere we could see that bullishness. So let me go to directly to the so industry wise, IT and CNX Pharma both have surged.
Got a good.
So about what you were talking?
No, I was telling they got a good bull.
Can you be more audible?
Yeah, sure.
Your voice. Okay. So what you were telling?
I was telling the industries that you were mentioning was quite good in the last week.
Yeah, this IT and pharma, right? It's performing really good. Well, last week also pharma have gained a lot of attraction from the investors. So let's move directly to the stocks of this week.
So today we are going to be sharing two stock suggestions, right?
Yeah. So one from technology industry and the other from like the normal construction industry. So the first stock is BLS International Services Limited. So let's go directly to the fundamentals of it. You guys might be knowing that this is
quite familiar company.
Yeah. So it's a part of 4 decades-old BLS group with a global presence and diverse range of services, and the biggest global players in visa application outsourcing. This is all the companies is about. And its Petrosky is coming 6, and its stock PE ratio is 48.5. So comparing to the other competitors, it's good though. And then what about the other values? Like its price to book value is 14.4, which is not that great. Yeah. So let's go to the how the quarterly results are. So yeah, you can see clearly a big jump from March to June. Previously it was 85, and this quarter it has given a net profit of 121 crore. So it's the highest as compared to the last quarters. So it's definitely a good positive aspect. And then coming to shareholding pattern, it promoters holding was constant for the past year. So from FIs
It's
as
quite
of
average, right?
yeah, it's average above 70. Yeah, it's average, but it's good though. In FIs, its contribution is around 7.4%, but they have decreased a bit, like from 7.67 to 7.4 by comparing to quarter to quarter. And DIS, it's 1.35. Last quarter it was 1.05, so there is a bit increase. So in altogether, it seems good. The fundamental is okay. Yeah. So the main highlight here is that in June the quarterly results are very much good. So let's go to the weekly chart then. Yeah. So this was the all-time high of this stock. It was back in Feb 24, and then all these months were this is trading in between these two ranges. From August 20 onward, this stock is trading between this support and resistance, and then so finally it has reached its all-time high in Jan 24, and then it has shown a bit bearishness for all these months in between, and then again it has surpassed this value on August in this week actually. So I would say, and the volumes are also fairly good enough. So I would say this technically also this stock will be a good pick hopefully.
Yeah.
So now going to the 1 day chart, yeah. So in the last few days, like from July 22 onwards, it's trading in this range. So I hope this gonna becomes in this 410 range. So buyers can, so anyone who is intended to buy this stock can accumulate from here. I won't suggest an entry in this level. Let it come down a bit more. From here, you can have a good entry. Then from here, let's hope. Oops. A 10% return should be giving in 5 to 6 months maybe. Yeah. So let's
Like,
wait in this 410. Okay.
what what is your suggestion? Is it good for the beginners to invest in this?
For beginners, I won't say this is a good stock. Like for beginners, I always suggest to invest in large cap stocks, like which is in Nifty 50, Nifty 100 stocks. So that's better because the volatility must be lower in that pool. So here, when we look at this market cap, this is only 17,000. So it's a mid cap stock. So I won't suggest beginners to invest in mid cap stock. Initially, they should start with large cap stock. That's what my suggestion. Yeah. So you can definitely seek a buy in 410 range. So coming to the next stock, it's PNC Infra. So let's go to the weekly level. This is more good from a fundamental analysis perspective. PNC Infra. Let's put it in PNC Infra Tech Limited. So this market cap is 11,000. So this is a mid cap stock, and Petrovsky score is 6, and PG ratio is zero point 0.4. All companies which is having PG ratio less than 1, it's good. Price to book value is, it's just 2.22. That's also good enough. Stock P ratio is 8.85. That's also fairly good. So fundamentally, we could definitely say this is a good stock to buy. For all those value investors out there, you can definitely consider this stock. So comparing to the other competitors, its P ratio is very less, 8.85. And then going to the quarterly results, so it has bagged some 168 crores in this last quarter. And the last quarter, it was in quarter one, it was in quarter four 2024, it was 533. So it's a performed really well in the last quarter. And then coming to the shareholding pattern, promoters has maintained their percent of 56.07 in all these months. And then FIAs has also more or less, they have also kept their stake the same, 10.98, 10.85, 10.83. And DIS also, like, from, it's almost constant everywhere, like constant as in there is a big dip in overall shareholding pattern of promoters, FIs and DIS. So definitely this public contribution has grown up from 2021 in a broader range. We can say from 2021 to 2024, public has contributed from 4 to 6. Okay, fundamentally, I would definitely say this is good. With P ratio is definitely attractive. And then coming to the technical part, this is a weekly chart actually. So from the start itself, from 2015 onwards, the stock is trading in between these two ranges. Yeah, there is definitely some outliers here. And then coming to, so in here on May 21, there is a big volume of 34.9 million, but it somehow couldn't break this resistance, and it again comes to a bearish mode. So this is 50 DMA, this yellow line is 50 exponential moving average, and I hope if it touches over here or it comes in for 28 for 15 in this range, you could definitely seek a buy. So
What is your prediction on it?
my prediction over this would be, just a sec. It would be around 34% you can definitely hope for, but you should wait up to at least 3 to 6 months. But for the if you I would say this won't be that risky stock if you could accumulate in this range of for 15 for 20. It won't, I won't see the stock uh, gonna going down between less than 400 range. We can definitely expect by the end of the year it's gonna touch 500, 580, because we could see that from the technical perspective the stock is performing good, and from quarterly results also good. So and the PE ratio, price to earning ratio, it's only just 8.8%. So altogether, you can keep it in a long term as well. So I think we can wind up the video. So these were two picks
Yeah, so
for
these
you.
are the two stocks that we are suggesting for 3 to 6 months.
Yes, sir. So before going and picking any of these stocks, just do a personal analysis from your side. Otherwise, there is no point in being picking these stocks. You won't learn anything. So do an analysis from your end and comes to an opinion that whether you need to go for these stocks. That's it, guys.
Okay, guys, bye.
ആ ഞാൻ പെട്ടെന്ന് പറയാൻ നോക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ വിളിക്കൂല